Alright, I finished my pizza. Kylie finished her artwork.
I'll call it a rendering. That sounds cool.
A rendering.
Alright, I finished my pizza. Kylie finished the renderings. Now we're gonna walk you through it. But first, I guess I should explain what we're doing. Well, the backyard is a piece of crap. All muddy and just kind of a blob. So we're going to turn it into a nice little hangout spot. We got some free furniture from some neighbors the other day, so figured what better time to do it than now.
So what we really want to do is create an area for sitting and just relaxing, chilling, because we have this big couch and like a little footstool bench type thing. And so we want, over there right now it's all muddy and it has some like crappy little concrete half brick looking things.
Yeah, it just doesn't look good.
The grass is all overgrown, so we need to do something better. So we measured it out, and it is 10 foot by 10 foot. And there's a gate over here, so we're going to leave that gate for now and the tree for now, just because those are like huge projects to dig up. So we'll probably just replace with crushed granite later. Right here we have the garage. And so we decided to do 2 foot by 2 foot 2 foot by 2 foot concrete squares, and we're going to do 4 by 4. So that is 8 feet used on either side, so leaving us 24 inches left. What we're going to have to end up doing is putting a foot of crushed granite along the fence line and adding a foot of crushed granite right here to make it to where it's only 9 feet by 9 feet, and that just makes them spaced out more evenly, because we would have to have them 8 inches apart if we did the full 10 feet, but instead we only want 4 inches from here to here to here. So we're going to have to add another foot of crushed granite here and another foot of crushed granite here. But the brown with the speckles, that's all going to be crushed granite. Those big blocks are big cement blocks, and we have to space them out evenly so it looks really clean and nice. It's going to look really good, I think.
It's going to be awesome. She is the brains and the design. I am the brute force.
We would like to rip out the tree and the gate at some point in the future, but right now it's just kind of not possible. Those are like really big jobs. So
yeah, I don't really want to rip out a tree right now, so. Nice gloves. Alright, well, we made our plan. Now it's time to do the back-breaking work. We got it about as flat as I think we can get it. It's not professional, but it's all right. Kylie's having a conversation with me as if I'm talking to her. All right, we ran out of daylight, but we got light. So it's still not as even as we'd like. We still need more bags, but let's do that another day.
Did you like it? It's awesome. It looks really good.
Yeah, so I think for now, definitely pleased for just something that we
first timers in the backyard.
Yeah, first time a little gardening. We decided to do it this morning, so not too bad. But now let's get the couch moved. Yeah, it's definitely a cool little hangout area. It's not HGTV, it's not Magnolia, so like, yeah, this furniture, we got it for free, so not gonna complain about that. I think it's awesome, and nice little hangout spot. Really impressed for what we were able to do for one day. But got the chimenea right here, got a lot of cleaning to do. As you can probably tell, we definitely changed up a little bit from the renderings. The original renderings will be right there, but yeah, we're happy with it. Ranger likes it. Tons of mud, tons of dirt. Heavy cleanup tomorrow, but should be good. We also want to at some point get a fire pit for out here instead of the chimenea and put the chimenea over there by the dartboard, but I like it. I'm happy with it so far. Here's the rest of the backyard. We got tons of chairs, got this nice little side table, these nice chairs here so that you can watch the dartboard or move it out of the way when you're ready to play darts. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.
See ya!
Oh, bro. Alright, so a lot of you I know in the past have asked me like for the finances of the projects that we do. And I forgot to include that before I signed off for the video, so here it is. Alright, we needed 12 bags of those mini little rocks. We needed 16 of those stones. And then we needed 2 things of that plastic that goes along the edges. And then also needed a shovel. Shovel was like 15 bucks. The bags of the small rocks were like 5 bucks each. And then the big stones I think were like 3 something each, maybe 4 bucks each. And the little plastic was like, I don't know, 10 bucks each. So total spent $150, but I had a gift card for 125 bucks. So that whole project was done for only $25 out of pocket. Boom.